Okay, today we're going to look at another one of Jet Motors master kits. Today's master kit is on the cooling system. Now, this cooling system we have created for you has everything you could possibly need in it to upgrade your cooling system. Most importantly is the new super cool 2-core alloy radiator. We love these radiators, they work really well. Also, you get a high performance water pump, lower radiator hose, upper radiator hose, all the hose clamps, the heater connector, the bypass hose, the fan belt, alloy water pump pulley with spacer, the cooling fan installed in the proper direction with all of the hardware, and of course the radiator shroud, thermostat housing, thermostat, and thermostat gasket. This is everything you need for your cooling system and to upgrade your cooling system to the latest technology. These alloy radiators really do work really well. Everything's put together for you, so when you receive it in the box, you can see how it's supposed to go together. Now, you are going to have to disassemble this to put it in the car, but at least you get to take it apart and see how it was originally intended. Again, check these out at our website. There is options in the menu to allow you to choose small bore or large bore or single shroud or two-piece shroud. So go check them out at jetmotorsmini.com. Master Kits.